Hi, our dear clients from all over the world. Today I'm gonna introduce our 20-feet expandable house to you. This is our 20-feet expandable house. The width is 6.48 meter. The height is 2.5 meter and the length is 5.9 meter. We're going to deliver it to America, which is customized. For example, the door's insulation is very good. It's aluminum alley bridge window. The tempered glass is double. Our expandable house is about 37 square meters. This one with 2 bedrooms. And here is the kitchen location, and this is the bathroom. 1, 2 bedrooms. Now I'm gonna show you our bathroom. Okay, let's open it. And here is the cupboard and toilet, shower room. Very good quality, you can see. And here is the shower, can be hot water, cold water. And this one is for wash hair. It's adjusted by here, and can be adjusted temperature here. This is the American standard Saki, and it can be any country standard. This is one of the bedrooms. Contact us for a price.